Tomato, and one thing I've been struggling with for a long time is my hair. My hair is very fine and my scalp tends to be oily, so overall my hair tends to be flat and limp. So flat and fine hair in itself is not a big problem, but it just doesn't do a very good job of framing the face. Sometimes I just want to add some extra volume to my hair. Today I'm going to show you how I turn this flat and limp hair into healthy, bouncy, voluminous hair. This would be great if you're going on a date, a special event, or just want to look extra cute. Or you can just do this on a daily basis if you have the time, because all the products are very gentle. Oh, and also today's video is brought to you by Hair Story. I want to say a big thank you to Hair Story for sponsoring today's video, and all the products mentioned will be linked in the description down below. Watch till the end because there is a giveaway. Personally, I think freshly washed hair is really the best feeling in the world. But we all know that washing your hair every day can really strip away the natural protective layers of your hair and scalp, leaving your scalp really dry and leading it to produce even more oils. Hair Story's new wash is a great alternative to the traditional shampoo-conditioner combo. It uses a blend of essential oils and naturally derived cleansers, and respects the body's natural moisture barrier. Here I'm using the new Wash Deep, which has more cleansing power than the original formula. This is great for people who have oilier hair, and this one is formulated with apple cider vinegar and argan oil, which will help to break down even the oiliest scalp. You can totally use the new wash every day, and rest assured this is not going to dry out your hair or scalp. One thing I really want to mention is the scalp brush. This is really the best hair washing brush I have ever tried. The silicone bristles do a great job of alleviating those itchy spots. It won't scratch up your scalp like your nails would. The cone-shaped bristles also make it really easy to glide over wet hair, so it won't get tangled up in wet hair or cause any breakages. I highly recommend this brush, and I think it will be a great supplement to any gentle hair washes. Oh, and by the way, I don't need to use any conditioner when I'm using the new wash, so this saves me some extra time in the morning. After I towel dry my hair, I will use this hair protector called Dressed Up. Dressed Up has setting and heat protecting properties, so it's great to use before you blow dry your hair or do any styling to your hair. I also find that Dressed Up adds a little bit more volume to my hair overall, and also makes my hair feel very soft. To use Dressed Up, I just dispense 2 pumps of the product in my hand, and then evenly distribute it on my palms and my fingers. Then I'll run my hands all over my hair from the roots to the end, focusing on the ends. After I apply the Dressed Up heat protector, I'll blow dry my hair using a paddle brush. I've used round brush in the past, but I find that they give my hair a very pin straight look, which is not really what I'm going for. The paddle brush gives me a more natural blowout, and I think it makes my hair look more voluminous than a round brush. After I finish blow drying my hair, I really cannot feel like I have any products in my hair, and it feels extra soft. Now, if I want to add even more volume to my roots, and I haven't done this for a really long time because I've been pretty happy with my hair lately, but if I really wanted to go all out, I would take my trusty old crimper, and I've had this for over 5 years. I'll crimp 2 sections of my hair below the top layer, and that will add a lot more volume to my hair. The downside to this method is that it will make the head look a little bit more squarish instead of round. I recommend getting a crimper that has smaller and tighter crimps, and this is going to give you a more natural look at the end. If you're not a fan of crimpers, or you want to add even more volume to your hair, then I would recommend powder. Powder is a dry shampoo made from tapioca starch and minerals. It is extremely fine and it blends into your hair very easily without leaving any white streaks. What I really love about powder is that it is not an aerosol formula, but it comes in a spray bottle, which makes it very easy to dispense. The product is pumped out very evenly, just like an aerosol spray. And the bonus is that it smells really nice because of the essential oils in the product. It's also great to use on second and third day hair as well, to help you freshen up and absorb any oils. And the last step is really optional, but a little bit of hairspray can really help to hold everything in place. And then we're done. And if you have thin and flat hair like me, you can try out any of these things or all of them together. Have fun! Once again, I just really want to thank Hair Story for sponsoring today's video, and I'm so glad to be partnering up with them because Hair Story is an amazing brand. You can tell that they put a lot of love and thoughts into their product, and it really shows through the quality of the product. In addition, Hair Story is also a very sustainable brand. The new wash is formulated such that it is 100% biodegradable and won't harm marine life once it's washed away. The new wash also only comes in these refill pouches only, and this kind of packaging helps to save 91% of the plastic consumptions. And lastly, Hair Story is also a member of the 1% for Planet. Okay, now on to the giveaway. You can enter to win the hair starter kit that is valued at over $100, and the products can be tailored to your specific hair type. To enter, it's very simple. You just need to make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and in the comment section below, tell me who is your hair inspiration. It can be a celebrity, it can be a vlogger, an influencer, or someone from real life. I'm just really curious to know what kind of hairstyles you guys like. I look forward to reading them. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!